Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to upgrade Ford Ranger step by step. Begin by inspecting the truck, listing weak spots, and prioritizing which upgrades matter most. Measure clearances, check bolt sizes, and photograph areas you will modify for reference. Create a parts list that matches your goals and budget, and verify compatibility with your trim and drivetrain before you buy anything to avoid costly returns or delays. Swap worn components in stages to keep the truck usable and safe during the build. Start with shocks and springs, and upgrade mounting hardware where needed to prevent premature wear. If you install a lift, choose matched components and align the drivetrain to avoid vibration. Always torque fasteners to factory specs and recheck after a short test drive to ensure everything settles correctly and performs as expected on the road. Begin performance work with intake and exhaust improvements that free airflow and reduce restrictions. Replace spark plugs and ignition components as preventative maintenance while you work. After hardware changes, run a proper ECU tune to calibrate fuel and timing for gains and reliability. Monitor engine temps and fuel trims during initial tests to catch issues early, and use modest power targets to keep the drivetrain.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.